So when you're thinking about screening candidates, if you have a long list, one of the things that can get in the way is the bias toward familiarity. And it could be from a name perspective. You can't predict someone's success based on what their name is or whether you can pronounce it. The other one is keywords. Someone can call themselves a manager or write a great resume. You gotta be careful of keywords.
What's key is to get the right lens on the candidate pool that you've got. And the challenge that the industry has had with LinkedIn is that the people who are doing the recruiting now tend to be external recruiters or internal recruiters who for the most part don't have any operational experience. So the things that they look for are buzzwords in order to cull down the pool rather than variety of backgrounds, rather than interesting perspectives. I think the people who should be screening resumes should have business background, they should have life background, they should be immigrants, because that's a lot of who are the people who are actually being hired in the engineering sector. And I think that would bring a broader pool of candidates to the industry personally. The fit process is one of, do you have the same aspirations and goals? Do you have the same hopes and dreams? Do you have similar sort of needs as an individual? That is if the hiring manager is a micromanager and you need wide open spaces, chances are you're not going to be happy. And also, do you like your customer? So somebody who you're hiring into your business, if you're selling into the government space with RFPs, requests for proposals, and the person likes fast-moving sales dynamic, it's not going to be the right fit. If the person you're hiring needs constant feedback, and you're the type of person who's really laissez-faire, it's not going to be the right fit. So be honest with yourself. Try and understand as best you can what the motivations and drives of the customers are, or the candidates are, and that you'll end up as close as you're going to get at the end of the day. Companies look for a very certain set of skills when they're trying to hire, and those set of skills include industry background, particular contacts that they might have in the business model and their business industry, particular technical knowledge that they have. And why people get fired are because they don't get along, because they've got a bad attitude, because they're simply not capable or smart enough to pivot as the companies pivot. They're not flexible enough. There's a complete dislocation between why people get hired and people get fired.